testing, hospitals filling up, and tonight another New Jersey curfew in place as COVID cases surge in the tri-state and across the country. Good evening, everyone. I'm Maurice Dubois.
And I'm Christine Johnson. We are just 10 days into the month of November, and in that time alone, the United States has surpassed 1 million new coronavirus cases.
And another staggering figure tonight. Our country saw more than 61,000 hospitalizations in just one day.
In New Jersey, that curve that we did manage to flatten for a while is now going back up. The latest number of positive cases in the Garden State stands at more than 3,800. That is the highest since April 24th, during the peak of the pandemic.
And parts of Newark are especially concerning, and a curfew even stricter than the governor's is now in effect there. CBS 2's Jessica Layton live with the details. Jessica.
Maurice and Christine, things have gotten so bad here in Newark, the mayor had to make his own rules. And tonight, cops were out in force, making sure everyone's complying. Newark police hit the streets of the city's busy Ironbound district to enforce the mayor's new restrictions Tuesday night, including an 8 p.m. closing time for indoor dining, as the infection rate in the East Ward soared to an astounding 32.5%.
We have to get this virus back under control.
Mayor Ross Baraka's new executive order in 3 zip code hotspots also means a mandatory 9 p.m. curfew on the weeknights, 10 p.m. on weekends. His rules are more strict than the governor's.
We need another remedy. Newark's prescription is not the state's prescription.
The overall rate in Newark is now 19%. It's more than twice the state's average. Mayor Baraka blames illegal late-night parties and people still not wearing masks. He says even public transportation is a problem.
The buses are too crowded. New Jersey Transit has to do better.
Cases are also growing in New York City, along with the lines to get tested. The wait outside this Upper West Side City MD Tuesday was 3 hours.
When you Google COVID testing, it directs you to CityMD and things like that. So that's the first thing that people are going to go.
The city has about 250 test sites and encourages people to find locations close to them by going to this online COVID-19 test site finder and putting in your zip code.
I would say that at New York City Health and hospitals, our lines tend to move fairly quickly.
Not moving quickly, the people stuck sitting in cars waiting to get tested in Chicago. More than 100,000 people in Illinois took a test Monday alone. 15 states have seen COVID hospitalizations double in the last month. Health experts now calling the latest COVID hotspot the entire nation.
There's no question that our hospitals are about to be overrun. Do not be at all surprised when we hit 200,000 cases a day.
And back here in the city of Newark, the mayor's new measures will be in effect at least through December 1st. Live in Newark tonight, Jessica Layton, CBS 2 News.
Jessica, thank you. And we're also seeing infection rates going up on Long Island and in Connecticut. And if you want to track the latest COVID numbers where you live, just go to cbsnewyork.com.